Hello, welcome to my channel. My channel name is Technical Solution Review, and today we were talking about the P2P trading, the peer-to-peer transaction, that how to buy any cryptocurrency or any coin on Binance, and how to sell any cryptocurrency or coins on Binance. So we have an option wallet here. First you will click on wallet and you will come to the spot, and here we have margin, future and P2P. So I want to buy any cryptocurrency or coins, so I will recommend this USDT, because when you have USDT you can buy any cryptocurrency here on Binance. So how I should buy USDT? First click on buy. When you click on buy, you will see the screen like this. So if you have EasyPesa, Cash, bank transfer, so it's okay. You can select here your transaction method. You can click on this and select all, and you have these options, so you can select your required option from here. So I have EasyPesa, so PK only, and this is the, so I have to select PK only and click on yes. Okay, so I select, and I also select here selected a PKR, so I have PKR. So if you are in America you can select dollar, if you are in China you can select yuan. Any country you have, select your currency and then select your payment transaction method. So I selected EasyPesa. The Binance showing me EasyPesa here on all transactions, and this is the rate of Binance that a person uh, a person selling the USDT on 159.80 PKR, and the limit of this person had 1500, and the peak limit is 5581. So I want to buy with this rate the USDT. So I already select the USDT. If you want any other currency you can, any other cryptocurrency you can select this. So I want to buy USDT. I will click on buy. So as I click on buy, they show me that how much you can put your order between these limits. Okay, not more than 5581.81, and not less than 1500. So I want to select, I want to buy 5000. So I will put my required money by Fed. Okay, so buy crypto. I don't want to buy crypto, so I want to send the money by EasyPesa and get USDT on my Binance account. So I will click on buy USDT. Okay, as I click on buy USDT, here is the option to chat with this person. So I will select here to chat with this person, and this guy send me the message, please message to this. As I hi available, so if he available here, yes boss. So you can transfer your money here. Okay, where you will transfer your money payment method. Okay, you can select this, and you can send your money to this account in the name of Amir Shahzad. Next, you can, when you send your money 5000 PKR to this person, then you can press and transfer next. When you click and transfer next, then you then the message will goes to the person, and you can also send the proof to this person, to send the screenshot and anything, by proof that he understand that yes, I received the money. And when they release the USDT, it's okay, you can get your USDT here. When you not received your USDT under this, under 20 minutes, okay, the transaction, you must send your PKR to this person under 15 minutes. Okay, when they not release your USD has USDT to you, then you can click an appeal. When you click on appeal, you can put your detail, your transaction detail here, and click on appeal. And then the Binance will pack the USDT of his account and send to you. But this is the last option they will send you. Okay, so this is the method that how to buy USDT on Binance. Now let's go to how to sell your USDT on Binance. Now we have to learn about how to sell USDT on Binance, how to sell any cryptocurrency on Binance. So this is the here is the option sell. Okay, when you click on sell, so this Binance showing me the all all transaction method here. You can select your transaction here. You want easy pesa, PK only, yes, so you can select here yes. And sell, you want to sell your USDT, so you can select and sell. And you want how much you have, you can sell your USDT. Okay, so I not have any USDT, so I can't. The other, and the other method you want to post like this, you can go to this three dot and payment method. You can select your payment method, add your payment method, and when you add your payment method, bank transfer, you can all payment. Let me select easy pesa, PK only, and full name. So you want to post like this, so here is the three dot, I switch into advertising mode. So you can select your option advertising mode, and you can add, click on add and post ad. Okay, and this is the option you want to sell or you want to buy. You for both you can put your required option. So you have USDT with bit, I have my easy pesa, so I will click on OK. And here I have which one, so I select PKR and fixed. So I select 200. So I select 188 and click on next. You can't post any ad now, so I select on next. And I want to sell my USDT. Let me select all. I not have any USDT, so I can't select here, and I will put my limit order from 5,000 to 10,000. 10,000. Let me select my payment, add payment method, this one. Okay, and I have to select my payment duration time. So you can select any duration time. Let me select 30 minutes. and when I click on next, showing me you have no USDT, so you can select next and place your order, and then you will see your order here and sell. When you select and buy, you can also this here and sell. Okay, you select buy, so you can see, you will see your order here. So this is the method that how to buy and sell your cryptocurrency or any USDT on Binance. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel and bye bye.